Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Borax is chemically different from baking soda, but the two products share many uses. Both are useful for household cleaning in the kitchen and bathroom and to freshen laundry. Both are also eco-friendly and green alternatives to commercial cleaning products.
Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark.
First off, it's critical to mention that in the UK and EU you can no longer buy borax. In 2010 the EU reclassified the borate group of chemicals that borax belongs to as potentially hazardous to health, so it is no longer available as a cleaning and laundry product.
Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark.
Borax versus borax substitute. There is quite a difference between these two items, both of which can be used in frugal laundry detergent. Borax substitute, sodium sesquicarbonate, see more. Borax, whilst being a natural product, is non-biodegradable and can be used effectively as an herbicide and insecticide.
Take our lead.
Baking soda is the common name for sodium bicarbonate, which is a naturally occurring chemical compound with the formula of sodium hydrogen carbonate, 1 sodium ion to 1 bicarbonate ion. Borax is the common name for the naturally occurring mineral sodium tetraborate decahydrate, sodium boride 10H2O.
Take our lead.
Borax and vinegar are two safe ingredients that can be combined to create a good general cleaning solution. Undiluted vinegar and borax can also be used for mildew removal. When mixing borax with other ingredients, it is essential to use warm water to help it dissolve.
Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark.
Is Ajax the same as borax? Scott, borax and Ajax are practically the same thing. I mean, they sound the same. Borax probably has the same warning, it's probably the fumes that clean the head. Yes, I realize how stupid and ridiculous I sound, but hey, this is how it went down.
Make your mark. Take our lead.
OxicLean is excellent for protein-based stains. I sell and wear vintage and thrifted clothing, and have had great success using OxicLean to remove food, perspiration, and blood stains. I use borax for softening the water so my soap works better. Borax allows me to use at least 25% less laundry detergent.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.